If you have a window that's no longer rolling down for a while and you wonder if it's some setting that might be on the control, and it doesn't matter what kind of vehicle you have, if it's a Ford, if it's a Toyota or a Nissan or a Hyundai, it doesn't matter, it's the same concept. So of course on most vehicles you have this little safety thing where you can press down on it and it'll make it to where it's like a protection where you can't roll it down for whatever reason. However, what happens is over time, if you don't roll up and down the window, let's say over a year or a few months, if you're in extreme temperatures, if you're in the southern climate or northern climate where it gets really cold or really hot, what'll happen is the temperature will expand and contract that frame of the door. And so what it's doing is it's holding it in there. And it could be your passenger door if you don't use it a lot, and especially it would happen to the back windows where the temperature would expand and contract. So you just basically need to help it along and open up the door. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that right now. So for over a year, my passenger window would no longer roll down. So what you want to do is kind of help it along a little bit. So you might have to get someone else to help you. But what you want to do is hold your hand down on the window. And as you do that, you try to push down as you're pushing down on the window. And then what'll happen is you'll notice you'll hear it go down, and it'll be like a sticky thing that goes like pop, it'll like stick. And so what you realize is that the weather was expanding and contracting, and being that you're not using the window all the time and you're rarely using it, what'll happen is it just gets stuck there due to the weather. So go ahead and work it and see if you can undo the window now on your vehicle.